Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Services. So in this video I will talk about the NDA question paper 1, and this is the paper of, obviously it's paper of maths. So let's see the questions. So question is, if 0.2 power x is equal to 2 and log 2 base 10 equal to 0.3010, then what is the value of x to the nearest 10th? Okay, so how do you guys solve this question? This is kind of a little tricky one. So this is the value, this is the equation. You can take log from both sides, and then after taking log from both sides, you can solve this question, and you will get the answer x equal to minus 0.43, something like that. So C option should be right. Anyway, next question is, total number of 5-digit number that can be composed of distinct digits from 0 to 9 is. So what is that? So this is kind of, you can say 9 into 9 into 8 into 7 to 6. So I'm sorry, somewhere around 27 and 216. So C option must be right. Next question is, what is the determinant of the matrix? So already this is simple question, you can take determinant. So right option is must be D. So D option is right. Okay, next question is fourth question. Fourth question is there, if A, B and C are the angles of triangle, and this is the determinant, then which one the following is correct? So this is, you have to tell right answer. So just solve the question and you will get to know that sin A equal to sin B equal to sin C if you solve these questions. So actually right option is B, the triangle ABC is equilateral. Okay, next question is, consider the following in respect of matrices A and B of the same order: A square minus B square equal to A plus B, A minus B, A minus I plus A equal to 0, A square equal to I. So where I is the identity matrix and O is the null matrix. So what is the above as the correct? Which of the above is correct? So right option is B. Only second one is correct. Okay, you can solve this question. This is simple one. Now, what is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta equal to? So you have to solve this question, and you know that this is direct question. So right answer is sin 2 theta. Okay. Next question is, if theta minus alpha, sec theta and sec theta plus alpha are in AP, where cos alpha is not equal to 1, then what is the value of sin square theta plus cos alpha? So you can, this is kind of little tricky question. Anyway, so you have to solve this question and you will get the answer as 0. Okay, so 7th ka A. If A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree, then what is the sin 2A minus sin 2B minus sin 2C equal to? So if you will solve this question, put the value of sin 2A, sin 2B and sin 2C, you will get the value as minus 4 sin A cos B cos C. So that option is D. Next question is, a balloon is directly above one end of a bridge. The angle of depression of the other end of the bridge from the balloon is 48 degree. If the height of the balloon above the bridge is 120 meter, 122 meter, then what is the length of the bridge? So right option, actually just this is a question of trigonometry, so it will like that. Okay, so you know that this is 48 degree, and this is also 48 degree, and this is height, you already know about that, and this distance, okay, you have to find out here to here. So you can put trigonometry and you will get the results. So right answer is B, 122 tan 42 degree. Okay. Next question is, A is the angle in the fourth quadrant. It satisfies the trigonometric equation 3 into 3 minus tan square A minus cot A whole square equal to 1. Which of the following is the value of A? So just check all these. By putting all these value, you can get the answer. So this is kind of a little difficult. Anyway, right answer is 300. Okay. 11th, the top of a hill observed from the top and bottom of the building of a height h is at angles of elevating pi by 6 and pi by 3 respectively. What is the height of the hill? So this is a question of trigonometry. You can solve this question and you will get the right answer as B, 3h by 2. Okay. Next question is, what is the solutions of the trigonometric equation cos x plus cot x equal to root 3, where x is more than 0 and less than 2 pi? So what is the right answer for that? Just solve this question and you will get the right answer h. Possible values of x equal to pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. So this is pi by 3 matches. So B option is right. Next question is, if theta is equal to pi by 8, then what is the value of 2 cos theta plus 1 whole power 10 into 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 whole power 10, 2 cos theta minus 1 whole power 10, and 2 cos 4 theta minus 1 whole power 10. So theta equal to pi by 8, then what is the value of this? So you have to solve this question simply. So final value is 1. So इसका आंसर होगा B, 13th का B. Okay. Next question is, if cos alpha and cos beta, alpha is more than 0 and less than beta and is less than pi, are the roots of the quadratic equation 4x square minus 3 equal to 0, then what is the value of sec alpha into sec beta? Okay, so sec alpha, so you can put that thing, you know already that you can solve it by cos alpha cos beta equal to minus 3 by 4. Just put that thing like that, 4x square minus 3. So just put that value over here, so and you will get the equation, and final value is minus 4 by 3. So 14th का हुआ A. Consider following values of x. So the values of x, which are the above value of x is our solution of the equation? So tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equal to pi by 4. So which one is the right one? So right answer is 15th ka A. Just put the value and you will get the results. Anyway, next question is 16th one. What is the value of log under root 7 under root 7 under root 7? So this is what is the value of that. So what you have to do is actually open this one, 7 power 1 by 2, 7 power 1 by 4 and 7 power 1 by 8, and then after take log, and then after you will get the value. So it will be 1 minus 3 log 2 to the base 7. So C option must be right. So 16 का C हो जाएगा. ठीक है. If an infinite geometric progression has the first term x and the sum 5, then which of the following is correct? So actually you can solve this question, x upon minus r equal to 5. This is simple thing, and then after you get the solution. So I think right answer should be C, x is more than 0 and less than 10. So this is a problem of inequality. Anyway, next question is, consider the following expression, x plus x square minus 1 upon x. So these are things given over here. So which of the above are rational expressions? So you have to find out which one is the rational expression. So by definition of rational function you can solve this question. Option A is correct. So 1, 4 and 5 are there. Okay. Next question is, a square matrix A is called orthogonal if. So what is the condition of orthogonal? You already know that. A equal to A transpose, then A orthogonal matrix. So 9th का क्या हो जाएगा? D. Next one is, if A, B and C are the subsets of universal set, then which of the following is not correct? So this is direct question. So 20 का C हो जाएगा. A dash union B intersection C equal to C dash intersection B whole transpose intersection A transpose. Okay. Anyway, sorry, it's complement actually. Dash not complement right here. Let x be the number of integers lying between 2999 and 8001 which have at least 2 digits equal. Then x is equal to. So the number with all distinct digits. So 5, 9, and 8 and 7. So you will solve this question and you will get the value of 2520. So x equal to 2481. So B option should be right. The sum of the series 3 minus 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9 each plus is equal to. So you got to find this value, and the value will be 9 by 4. So C option is right. Next question is 23rd one. So information given below, answer 2 items that follows. A survey was conducted among 300 students It was found that 125 students like to play cricket, 145 students like to play football, and 90 students like to play tennis. 32 students like to play exactly 2 games out of the 3 games. How many students like to play all the 3 games? So question of set. Anyway, so इसका आंसर है A. 23rd का A. 14. Just put the value and you will get the results. Intersection B, intersection C. So 14 values would be right. How many students like to play exactly only one game? So इसमें आपको क्या करना है कि you have to find out the at least one game. So this is a bigger question. So anyway, I think if you have studied set, you can solve this question. So 254 is the right answer. C of 1 is the right ones. 25, if alpha and beta is not equal to 0 are the roots of the quadratic equation x square plus alpha x minus beta equal to 0, then quadratic expression x minus x square plus alpha x plus beta, where x is the subset of R, has. So this right answer should be D. So greatest value 9/4. Okay. Next question is 26th one. What is the coefficient of middle term in the binomial expansion 2 plus 3x whole to power 4? So expand it and you will get the value as 216. So D option should be right. Next question, for a square matrix A, which of the following properties hold? Okay, so this is kind of that question. So A option should be right. 1 and 2 hold true. Okay, so 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2. So next question is 28th one. Which of the following factors does the expansion of the determinant x? So this is contain. So you have to solve this question and you will get the final answer as this one, x minus 3. Okay. Next question is 29th one. What is the adjoint of the matrix? So this is direct question. So A is the adjoint of the matrix. This one is adjoint of the matrix. What is the adjoint of the matrix? So इसका adjoint क्या है? ये है adjoint. You can find out. This is simple question. What is the value of minus 1 plus I root 3 upon 2 whole power 3n plus minus 1 minus I root 3 upon 2 whole power 3n? So what is the value of that? So you have to solve this question and you will get the result as a 2. So B option is correct होगा. Next question is if the second term of GP is 2 and sum of its infinite terms is 8, then the geometrical progression is. So geometrical progression आपको बताना है. So just check it out all of them and you will get the results. So इसका सही आंसर है आपका ये C. 4 to 1 1 by 2 1 upon 2 square. Next question is if A, B, C are in the AP or GP or HP, then A minus B upon B minus C is equal to. So this is kind of a tricky question. So you can find out the value. Just take them in all types and then after you will get the equations, and by solving those equations you will get the results, and final results are C 1 RA upon B RA upon C. Okay. Next question is what is the sum of all 3 digit numbers that can be formed using all the digits 3 4 and 5 when repetition of digits is not allowed? So you have to solve this question and you will get the answer 2664. Okay. 34th question, the ratio of roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and px square plus qx plus r equal to 0 are equal if d1 and d2 are respective discriminants, then what is d1 upon d2 equal to? So solve this question and you get the answer. Ratio of coefficient of x whole square equal to, it will be b square upon q square. Okay. If a equal to sin square theta plus cos 4 theta, then for all real theta which one the following is correct? So 35th का हो जाएगा C. Okay. Next question is 36. The equation of circle whose end points of diameter are x1 y1 and x2 y2 is. So equation of circle you have to apply and you will get the result. So इसका सही आंसर क्या होगा? x minus x1, x minus x2, y minus y1, y minus y2 is equal to 0. Next question is the second degree equation. ये है दिया हुआ है. So what is the reference? So it represents, you know, that x square. Solve this question in the two form and you will get the results. So finally you will get x minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus y minus 1 whole square equal to 0. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 by 2. So it is a point actually. So A option is right. Next question is the angle between the two lines lx plus my plus n equal to 0 and l dash x plus my dash y plus n dash equal to 0 is given by tan inverse theta. What is the theta equal to? So you have to solve this question and get the answer. 38 का C, lm dash minus l dash m upon ll dash plus mm dash. Next question is 39th. Consider the following statements. So these are the statements, and let me tell you, all our statements are true. So the distance between the lines y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2 is, these are kind of direct questions. Sorry, these are kind of direct questions. So the distance between the lines ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. Solve this question and we will get the answer. So all of them are true. So D option is right. Next question is, sorry. Next question is, what is the equation of a straight line passing through the point of intersection of the lines x upon 2 plus y upon 3 equal to 1 and x upon 3 plus y upon 2 equal to 1 and parallel to the lines 4x plus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. So 48th का जो सही आंसर है वो है A, 20x plus 25y minus 54 equal to 0. कैसे होगा? Point of intersection. You have to find out this through this 6 upon 5, 6 upon 5. So इक्वेशन पुट करने पे k इक्वल टू माइनस 54 अपॉन 5 आ जाएगा. एंड देन इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन, यू नो दैट it will be equal to 20x plus 25y minus 54. So this is how you can solve the question. Anyway, next question is, what is the distance of the point 2, 3, 4 from the plane 3x minus 6y plus 2z plus 11 equal to 0. So distance you have to find out. So right answer should be A, 1 unit. Okay. Next question is, coordinates of the points O, P, Q and R are respectively, this is given, and let L, M, N and K be points on the sides respectively such that L, M and K is parallelogram whose two adjacent sides LK and LM are each of the length under root 2. What are the values of M and N respectively? So you got to solve this question and you will get the right answer C. So 3 and 1 is the right answer. So 42, 3, 1. 43rd का देखें, the line x minus 1 equal to y minus 2 equal to z minus 3 upon 4 is given y. So solve this question and you will get the right answer, and right answer is B, s plus 2y minus 2z equal to minus 1 and 4s plus 4y minus 5z equal to minus 3 equal to 0. So 43 का right answer B है. Put the value and you will get the results. Okay, you will match it. Next question is 44th one. Consider following statements. The angle between the planes 2x minus y plus z equal to 1 and s plus y plus 2z equal to 3 is pi by 3. And the distance between the planes, ये planes हैं, is 10 upon 9. What is the above statement? Which of the above statement is correct? So you have to check it out and you will get that both of them are right. So both 1 and 2 are right. Next question is, consider following statements. Statement 1 is given. In the line segment joining points P, M, N and Q, R, S subtends an angle alpha at the origin, then cos alpha equal to ms minus nr equal to upon under root m square plus n square r square plus s square. So statement 2 is also given. In a triangle ABC, it is true that a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. So which of the following statement is correct in respect of the above two statements? So this is the cases and raising kind of questions. So right answer must be both statements are given at here. So right answer for this question is actually statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. So D option is right. So D option is right for this question. Okay. Next question is, there are 17 cricket players out of which 5 players can bowl. In how many ways can team of 11 players be selected so as to include 3 bowlers? So 46 का right answer है 12c8 into 5c3. So you will solve this question and you will get the answer, this one. Okay, and D is the right answer. Next question is what is the value of log 27 base 9 plus log 32 base 8. So this is kind of simple question. You will solve this one and you will get the results. 19 by 6 B का सही, इसका B सही आंसर है. If A and B are the two invertible square matrices of same order, then what is the AB whole inverse equal to? So AB whole inverse equal to B inverse inverse. So इसका सही आंसर होगा A. Next question is 49. If A plus B plus C equal to 0, then one of the solution is इसको solve करो and you will get the results. And going through the option, just go through option and you will get the x equal to 0. So first try A and D and you will get x equal to 0 as right. 50th one, what should be the value of x so that the matrix, and this matrix given, does not have an inverse? So x equal to minus 16 is verifying this. So B option should be right. Okay, because mod A will be 0. So the system of equation 2x plus y minus 3z equal to 5, 3x minus 2y plus 2z equal to 5, and 5x minus 3y minus z equal to 16. So solve this question, you will get the right answer as B. System is consistent with unique solutions. So 51st का हो जाएगा B. Okay. Next question is which one of the following is correct in respect of the cube roots of unity. So cube roots of unity के केस में इसका होगा C. They lie in the circle of radius root 3. Okay. Next question is sorry actually 52nd का सही जो आंसर है वो है C. Okay. So 52nd का सही आंसर है C. They form an equilateral triangle. Next question is if U, V and W all positive are the pth, qth and other terms of HGP, then the determinant of matrix. So this is the matrix which is given. You have to solve this question and you will get the right answer. So इसका सही आंसर है A 0. Okay. Next question is 54th one. Let the coefficient of middle term of the binomial expansion of 1 plus s whole power to n be alpha, and those of the two middle terms of the binomial expansion of 1 plus s whole power to n minus 1 be beta and gamma. Which one of the following relation is correct? So 54th का सही आंसर होगा C, alpha equal to beta plus gamma. Okay. Next question is 55th one. Let A equal to x subset R such that x is more than or equal to minus 1 less than or equal to 1, and B equal to y set of R such that y is more than or equal to minus 1 and less than or equal to 1, and S be the subset of A and B defined by. So this is given. Which of the following is correct? So let me tell you the right answer. So its right answer should be S is not a function. So D is the right answer for this question. 56th question. Let T R be the Rth term of an AP of for R equal to 1, 2, 3. If for some distinct positive integers m and n we have Tm equal to 1 by n and Tn equal to 1 by m, then what is the Tm equal to? So इसका सही आंसर होगा C 1. Okay. 57th question. Suppose fx is such a quadratic expression that is positive for all real x, then if gx is equal to fx plus f dash x plus f double dash x, then for any real x, so it will be gx is more than 0. So B option is right for the 57th question. Now go for 58th question. Consider following in respect of matrices A, B and C of the same order. So इसका सही आंसर होगा C by property. Statement 1 and 3 are correct. So C option is right. Okay. Next question is the sum of binary numbers 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, these two and base 2, and these are binary numbers given. Is the binary number itne, what are the values of x and y? So you have to actually you have to sum all of them and you will get the results. So by balancing the equation you will get the answer as B, x equal to 1 and y equal to 0. Okay. Next question is let matrix B be the adjoint of the square matrix A, L be the identity matrix of same order as A. If K is not equal to 0 is the determinant of the matrix A, then what is the value AB equal to? What is AB equal to? So इसका आंसर होगा B, K square L, sorry KL, B का इसका KL होगा. ठीक है. Next question is 61st one. If u equal to e to power ax sin bx and v equal to e to power ax cos bx, then what is u d over dx plus v dv over dx equal to? So इसका सही आंसर क्या होगा? A. Solve this question and you will get the results. Next question is 62nd one. So if y equal to sin ln x, then which one of the following is correct? So actually y equal to sin ln x, so dy upon dx का निकालो, and then after d square y upon dx square निकालो, अगर differentiate करो तो you will get the results h c x square d square y upon dx square plus x dy upon dx plus y equal to 0. Next question is a flower bed in the form of sector has been fenced by a wire of 40-meter length. If the flower bed has the greatest possible area, then what is the radius of sector? So L plus 2 r equal to 40. This is how you can solve the questions, and area is maximum when L plus 2 r equal to 20, so r equal to 10. So right answer should be C. Next question is what is the minimum value of x into x minus 1 plus 1 whole power 1 by 3 where x is more than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. So sorry for this blurred image. Anyway, and right answer is A. Okay, 3 by 4 whole power 1 by 3 required value. Next question is if y equal to sin x whole mod sin x whole power mod x, then what is the value of dy by dx at x equal to minus pi by 6? सो इसका राइट आंसर डायरेक्ट बताते हैं. इसका राइट आंसर है ए 2 पर माइनस पाई बाई 6 ln 2 माइनस रूट 3 पाई अपॉन 6. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज what is d under root 1 minus sin 2x upon dx equal to where x is more than pi by 4 and less than pi by 2. So इसका सही आंसर होगा cos x plus sin x. Okay. Next question is what is integral dx upon a square sin square x plus b square cos square x equal to. So इसका सही आंसर होगा a c plus 1 upon a b tan inverse a tan x upon b. Next question is 68th one. Let fx plus y equal to afx into fy and fx equal to 1 plus x gx phi x where limit x tends to 0 gx equal to a and limit x tends to 0 phi x equal to b. Then what is f dash x equal to? So solve this question and you will get the result as a b fx. Okay, f dash x find out, then after just get the value. What is the solution of differential equation dy upon dx equal to s plus y plus 1 upon s plus y minus 1? Okay, so just take t equal to s plus y and then dt upon dy equal to s plus upon dy plus 1, and then after dt upon dy equal to minus 1 equal to this is how you can solve the question with the basic questions. Anyway, right answer is y minus x plus ln x plus y equal to c. Next question is what is the limit x tends to pi by 6 2 sin square x plus sin x minus 1 upon 2 sin square x minus 3 sin x plus 1 equal to. So इसका सही आंसर होगा D. Okay, minus 3. So minus 3 will be the right answer for that. Next question is actually since video is getting longer, so how about let's take a pause and the rest question will be discussed very soon, maybe after 1 hour. So you can subscribe the channel if you want to watch the rest questions. So actually if you subscribe the channel you get the notifications. So anyway, subscription is you don't have to pay anything, so you can subscribe the channel. Anyway, thank you for watching the video and please do not forget to hit like and comment button. So just do comments if there are some faults in the question paper. So that's all. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care.